Good evening, everyone. I know you're exhausted and tired, so I'll talk a few very important tips. 4 years ago, I bought these shoes from the internet. Yes. Can you guess how many times I wear it? The answer is never. I never wear it. Why? Why didn't I wear it?
Too big.
Because it's too small for me. Yes. Because it's too small for me. I didn't pay attention on the size and I didn't ask the seller for further information. I believe that 90% of you have experience to shop on the internet. So it's easy to shop on the internet. You have just to key in some keywords and then search for what you like. Next, when you decided what you want to buy, you just have to fill some forms and walking to the nearest ATM to transfer your money to the seller. But when you do all these steps, have you examined your product before you buy it? In my survey, 15% of you have disappointed of what you buy. And because you didn't pay attention on the product's size or material or the real picture of the product. So if you follow the following tips I'm going to talk about, I believe that you can buy the one you like and you won't fail at buying the wrong product. I've divided my talk into 3 parts. The first part is to check what you want, and the second part is to confirm the product with the seller. Then the final part is to refund the product. I'd like to begin with check what you want. First, you have to find what you want and keep an eye on the size and the material. If you want to buy a clothes on the internet, you don't know what's the material of the clothes. Maybe it's cotton, nylon, or leather. If you don't know what the material is, you don't know how to wash it, right? Yes. Then the second one is you have to connecting with the seller for further information. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask questions. There will be always a question section. Then you can ask question to the seller. I believe that the seller will be like to answer any of your questions. That concludes the first part. Then I want to inform you the second tips of my talk is to confirm the product with the seller. You have to double check your order sheet, make sure all the right thing, and ask the seller to mail you to confirm your order. Finally, if you want to refund the product, you have to pay attention to the seller's instruction and try to be polite if you want to refund your order. In conclusion, it's easy to shop on the internet by following these tips. And don't be frustrated if you didn't get what you want. So let's start searching what you like. Thanks for your attention.